In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Dropbox folder public. If you're looking to share information or collaborate with others using Dropbox, one of the most efficient ways is to make a folder publicly accessible. It's a simple process and I'll walk you through each step so you can do it effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Dropbox and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home page with all your folders and files. Navigate through your folders to locate the folder you wish to make public. Now, as you hover over the folder you want to share, you'll notice a share button appear. Go ahead and click on share. Now, Dropbox gives you a couple of options when it comes to sharing your folder. You can either add specific people by entering their email addresses, or you can create a link. Since our goal today is to make the folder public, we're going to focus on creating a link. This link can then be shared with anyone, making your folder accessible to them. Once you opt to create a link, Dropbox will provide you with a sharing link. This step is crucial. You need to set the permissions for this link to anyone with the link to make it publicly accessible. This means that anyone who receives this link will be able to view the content you've shared. Besides setting who can access the folder, you might also want to decide what they can do with it. Dropbox gives you the flexibility to choose between allowing others to either view the folder or edit it. If you're collaborating and want others to make changes or contribute, select the edit option. Otherwise, if you're just looking to share information without alterations, stick with view. With these settings adjusted, you're all set to copy the link. You'll see an option to copy it directly from the Dropbox interface. Click on it and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now you're ready to share it with anyone you want, friends, colleagues, and collaborators. Simply paste the link into an email, message, or any platform where you plan to distribute it. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Dropbox folder public, enabling others to easily access its contents. Remember, if you ever want to change the folder back to private or adjust the permissions, you can always go back into Dropbox and modify these settings. Sharing files and collaborating has never been easier. Happy sharing!